my God.
Monster! Chainsaw monster! Pretty cool. Chainsaw blaster! Now it's mine. What's this then? Now it's mine. Pretty cool. Now it's mine. What's this then? Pretty cool. Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out. Ascolta reggae from the Fario Coepto.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your corpse like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Well?
Excellent.